From the home of the Spirit Quartz, Hoek, South Africa. Half a hand size, so pretty good size specimen with the first of all, what's the typicalities of this deposit are the central quartz crystals surrounded by the smaller ones. Now in this case we have larger and smaller on the matrix. The matrix would be almost running flat. So it's a little bit atypical to the typical material from Hoek. Color, we're looking at a this is a pretty accurate indication of the color. Let's get a little bit brighter. There would have been a clean fracture of a crystal, so there would have been a face sitting on there. So we could regard that as contact. Typical also, there's a starburst formation in the quartz crystal. So if you look from the top in, you'll see there's a color concentration, usually around the edges, which gets propagated right through the specimen. Also, what's interesting about this particular piece is the coating. You'll see at the back, which is almost a mustardy color, which would be hematite in stages of oxidation, turning into goethite. But in essence, the color is a little bit odd. It's almost a mustardy versus a typical yellow, which we have on the Spirit Quartz. Mind you, some of the Spirit Quartz, I mean the Sunshine Spirit Quartz, some of them do have a similar coating. All the way from South Africa, another masterpiece from Hoek and surrounds in the Mpumalanga province of South Africa, the old Kwaggafontein and surrounds.